Morning, hi, this is Travis from the National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Sunday, December 15th. We do have a little bit more snow on the forecast for today, very, very light though. In northwest flow, we have just a weak wave that's going to move through that, expecting less than an inch. We do have cooler temperatures across the area now, and it will just get cooler over the next couple days, well below normal. And then I will give you the holiday look. Looks like currently there's just a slight chance of being cooler than normal and a slight chance of more precip than normal, and I'll show you that in a second from the Climate Prediction Center. Looking at the current water vapor imagery, you can see that we have a high pressure ridging off the coast here, and we just have a light northwest flow from that ridging across us. That's a little bit easier to see here. There's that ridging, and then we do have a little weak wave kind of moving to our south, and then this wave to our north is what actually is going to drop through and give a little bit of precip today combined with this other one. Again, not looking for a lot of meaningful flurries. They'll be light and fluffy, and probably likely less than an inch across the area. Again, no real impact. They'll be pretty light and fluffy. Here's just kind of showing the amounts for this afternoon and this evening and tonight. And then as we go as far as the high temperature for today, you can see a couple degrees below normal. And then for Monday morning, quite chilly in the teens. And then Monday day, we still have a northwest flow over the area. The high pressure ridging is starting to build in. You can see it about the same, a little bit cooler, particularly for our northern areas. And then Tuesday, when it clears out, Tuesday morning it's really going to drop, and that's a good 10 to 15 degrees below normal, 12 to 18 degrees below normal, and particularly in our northern areas. And you can see the single digits across the Snake River Plain and negatives in some mountain areas. Some model indications are saying that this might get a little bit lower. So we might actually approach near zero, but for now this is what the models are hinting toward as far as this direction. And then as far as our high temperature on Tuesday, even a little bit lower than Monday and Sunday. And then Wednesday it starts to moderate a little bit. We have some clouds moving in ahead of the next system, and then by Thursday we're back to around normal. We'll have a chance of precip late Thursday into Friday. Not looking for a big system at this point, but just a chance of a light snow, particularly in the central mountains and eastern highlands. I wanted to give you just a quick outlook. The Climate Prediction Center has their 8 to 14 day outlook, and that does include 22nd through the 28th, which would include Christmas. And they are saying that's going to be cooler than normal. They're showing kind of a low drop into our south, and with that they're showing chances of precip. Again, this is just probabilities. It has just a slightly higher probability of being slightly wetter than normal and cooler than normal. I will say that the last model run I just looked at that just came out was indicating that perhaps there might be a system dropping over our area on Christmas Day, but again, that's pretty far out there, and I would stick to this outlook right here as far as most of the weather going to our south at this point. And that concludes, just as a quick summary, very light snow today in northwest flow, just kind of fluffy snow, and then just much cooler than normal temperatures, and then I just told you the outlook there. That concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call at this number. Thank you.